English-Icelandic requests. Can you, equals.
Getur þú.
Welcome. Hey you, good to have you here. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free scripts, flashcards, and more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the polite, powerful Icelandic request.
Getur þú.
Keep your ears open, your smile ready, and your sense of humor on, because we're about to ask for help like a legend of the sagas. Your goal today. You'll learn to ask for help clearly and kindly in Icelandic, and you'll sound great doing it. Core phrase.
Getur þú.
Equals can you. Example 1.
Getur þú að opna gluggann.
Can you open the window? Example 2.
Getur þú að endurtaka það.
Can you repeat that? Example 3.
Getur þú að sýna mér leiðina.
Can you show me the way? Forms and friends. Meet the phrase's closest pals so you can flex in any situation. Singular friendly.
Getur þú.
Plural you.
Getið þið.
Extra polite.
Gætir þú.
Like, could you? Question mark quote closing parenthesis. I can.
Ég get.
We can.
Við getum.
Permission.
Má ég.
May I? Negation, use gently.
Getur þú ekki.
Equals can't you. Mini dialogues. Time to act it out, short, real, and a tiny bit silly. Repeat aloud. You, excuse me.
Getur þú að endurtaka það.
Stranger, of course. I said the museum is around the corner. You at a cafe. Hi.
Getur þú að bæta við mjólk.
Barista. Sure thing, extra smooth. At the door. Hey.
Getur þú að opna hurðina.
Friend, only if you promise to bring snacks. Lost in town. Sorry.
Getur þú að sýna mér leiðina.
Local. Head to the lighthouse, then turn left. Group request. Hi everyone.
Getið þið að hjálpa mér.
Team. We've got you. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and ride the phrase like a wave. Say it with me.
Getur þú.
3 beats. J, tur, you. Keep it light, smile, and make the polite rise at the end.
Getur þú.
Now loop it.
Getur þú. Getur þú. Getur þú.
Nice. Culture tip. Sound natural, sound kind, sound Icelandic. In Iceland, direct but friendly requests are normal. A small smile and a calm tone with
Getur þú.
go a long way. Don't confuse.
Getur.
With English, get, it means can, is able. And if you want to be extra soft, try.
Gætir þú.
Add a gentle hand gesture, palm up, and boom, polite hero mode. Quick quiz. Let's see what stuck, fast and fun. Say answers aloud. Q1. Which Icelandic phrase means, can you? Question mark quote. A.
Getur þú.
Q2. Give singular and plural. Can you? Question mark quote. A. Singular.
Getur þú.
Plural.
Getið þið.
Q3. Translate. Can you open the window? A.
Getur þú að opna gluggann.
Q4. At a cafe, ask, can you bring water? A.
Getur þú að koma með vatn.
Q5. Say, I can help. A.
Ég get hjálpað.
The fun challenge. Ready for a laugh and real practice? Let's go. Mission 1. Mime opening a window and say.
Getur þú að opna gluggann.
Bonus points for dramatic breeze sound effects. Mission 2. Pretend you didn't hear me and ask.
Getur þú að endurtaka það.
Then repeat it like a polite parrot. Mission 3. Superhero edition, ask a sidekick.
Gætir þú að halda kápunni minni.
While you strike a pose. Mission 4. Group energy. Ask your imaginary team.
Getið þið að sýna mér leiðina?
Then say confidently.
Við getum það.
Outro. You did it, polite, clear, and confident. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Getur þú?
In daily life, and try variations like
Gætir þú?
and.
Getið þið?
For transcripts, quizzes, and more Icelandic fun, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.